Father saluting to the Parts Pro today with the 2022 Ford Ranger stock number 7280. It's ran from the 6th 2015 to the 4th 2022. It's a P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine picked by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the P580 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front 17-inch factory made tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory made tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory made tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory made tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 5-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.